Yeah. I remember me and D used to talk about this kind of stuff all the time, like what it's gonna be like when you get closer to your dreams. I didn't know much then, but I could probably tell you a little something now.
Mr. Big Dreams, no tolerance. Cut you at the house and have a holler sense. Get bored quickly. He stayed grown, so the Patron had to get poured quickly. Ex-girl stripping, I can't stop her. New girl tripping, but I can't drop her. Cause I need something to balance out the fact that it's hard to find a woman when you talented and black. When you hollering at labels and they silencing you back. Cause you fail to thoroughly discuss some violence in your track. Well, gunshot for the young yacht owner. See, there's everybody else, then there's one top loner. First place is often the worst place, but fuck it, I love it here. I call it my birthplace. Whenever I walk in, they making the worst face. Surrounded by Filipinos, I think of the worst case. Watch blue and green diamonds, I call it the earth face. I'm getting your cake, I'll tell you how your dessert tastes. I get a dessert plate, I eat pedigree as your meal. I've been Urkel for some years, it's better be in Jaleel. No, I rock, lean, snap, it's better being this real. It's better driving the car with the letter B in the wheel seat back. Like saying tank on E, I got the drink on me. You better bank on me to be the one and only nigga that you ain't gon' see in the club with a model spilling drinks on me. Nah, give me 20 in a tank on 3. I'm in the range bumping Keisha Cole singing off key like I'ma spare y'all. Why you wanna judge me? I don't ever compare y'all. The city is mine, I know it because I'm near y'all. It ain't even started, I'm really trying to prepare y'all. Spring 07, second quarter I'm dropping. With or without a label, man, I'm committed to popping and take over the summer. Tour to tour hopping. I'ma meet a lot of women, I'ma do a lot of shopping. Really no other option. Spend a lot of money just to make it back. Anybody I dissed in a song, I don't take it back. Same rappers that's all in your face saying Drake is whack. Or checking my availability just to make a track. I promise, mama, I'ma do it, cause I know I put you through it.
I know I put you through it, baby.
And I just want you to sit around with your friends at a dinner table and say my baby's famous and I knew it.
Yeah.
And there wasn't nothing to it. I've drawn it and drew it till the pen was out of fluid. The ballpoint run out and all joints come out. Classic rappers are fake, we can all point one out.
Yeah.
Like to introduce you to the first lady of the ATF.
Closer to my dreams.
I'm
getting higher, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I feel it in my sleep.
Sing it to him, baby.
I said I'm getting higher, yeah. And closer to my dreams.
Feels so
Whoa,
good.
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Yeah, man.
yeah. Sometimes it
Feel like I gotta reflect.
like I'll never go.
It's been a crazy year, you know what I'm saying?
Closer to my dreams.
See what I can say about this shit.
Look, I took a plane to Hawaii with D and we was tripping off of the speed at which life progressed. From meeting Trey in Atlanta to doing a cameo in his video, which made everything right with X. I got too many records and not enough shows for too many rappers and not enough. Well, you can feel the blanket. They trying to be the best, just trying to place in the ranking. Daycare, playpen, drop out. The grade 10 drop out. The summer 05 with the grade bench drop out. Charcoal charger, racing through back streets on my Craig Davis shit, the awful Dodger. Shoulder armor, I told her I'm about to get my run on, so hold the commas. Times have changed, now I'm older, mama. And these niggas ain't solid, they folding drama. Yeah, and that's the realest shit I ever wrote. A compilation of mental thoughts that I never know. And high haters, I'm back off of hiatus. How your album doing? I'm getting cake off of my latest. Anticipated like the iPhone. Respecting in any city that I roam. Summertime, wintertime, dinnertime, anytime. Bet I am that nigga in my town when I arrive home. Yeah. One more time before we turn the lights out, ladies and gentlemen.
Sing it to him,
Closer
Drina.
to my dreams.
Lights about to go down. Curtains about to close, but
I feel it in my
I want y'all to enjoy yourself on the way out. Yeah, man.
I said I'm getting